The ammo tray kit comes with the brackets that are designed to hinge, so you can have it level at all times, despite what the angle of the rifle arm might be set at for your purpose. The hole at the top of the rifle support arm is where this fits. So you take the wing nut off, my preference for my ammo tray is this way round, so I've really got it close to hand for the equipment that I put in there to save. But I have seen people that prefer it fitted round the other way. It's still very accessible, but maybe they prefer it that way because it doesn't feel quite in the way. Personally, as I say, I have it the other way around, and I preferred it that way. But either way, that's how to do it. Simple. Thank you.